Hi, Mami Toneng. Happy 80th birthday sa'yo. Pasensya na hindi ako makakapunta kasi may game kami. Enjoy your night. Sana sa next birthday mo, may imbitahan mo pa rin ako. Thank you and happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Tony. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Sabihin mo lang ha. Mami Tony, happy birthday. 88th birthday. Salamat sa pagsusuporta mo sa Inabra. Sana ho, itong laro namin ngayong gabi, mapadalo para maganda o umigado para sa inyo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Mami Toneng. I just want to wish you happy birthday. I wish you good health. Saka more birthdays to come. Ingat lang po lagi. Saka always pray to God. Happy birthday.
Po, Mami Toneng, happy 80th birthday. Grabe, tagal na. Tagal din na nagsiselebrate ng birthday. Pero sana sa birthday nyo, maging masaya pa rin kayo. Kapiling yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Sana mapasaya namin kayo, lalo na kami buong Ginebra team na kapag-champion this conference. Birthday gift sana sa inyo. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Hello, Mami Tony. I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday on behalf of the Barangay Ginebra teams. And may God bless you with many, many more and have fun on your birthday. Salamat po.
Hi, Mommy. Just want to greet you happy 80th birthday. Sana magkita tayo rito sa Araneta and hope to see you soon.